Former President Donald Trump is gearing up for a historic criminal trial, at the center of which is an elaborate scheme that prosecutors allege Trump used to cover up hush money payments to Stormy Daniels and, in the process, corrupt the 2016 presidential election. But just how did it work? You might think that you know this story, but it is a lot more complicated than you may realize. First, Trump's former attorney and then fixer Michael Cohen paid Daniels, but he didn't just cut a simple check. To get the money, Cohen took out a $130,000 home equity loan from First Republic Bank and funneled it through its shell company, Essential Consultants LLC, to Daniels' then lawyer, Keith Davidson. Cohen admitted to all this when pleading guilty to campaign finance violations in 2018. But contrary to popular belief, this isn't what Trump's criminal case is all about. Instead, Trump's charges relate to his system for reimbursing $420,000 to Cohen in connection with the payments. So how does $130,000 in hush money gross up to $420,000 in reimbursements and 34 felony counts? On top of the hush money payoff, Cohen billed $50,000 to a tech company called Redfinch, an IT firm that the Wall Street Journal reported helped rig online polls in Trump's favor before the election. Cohen marked that expense as tech services, making for a total of $180,000 in expenses, plus a $60,000 bonus for Cohen himself. Since Cohen would have had to have reported all this as income, Trump allegedly tacked on an extra $180,000, so Cohen would still have the money he was owed after taxes. Here's how prosecutors say those reimbursements became 34 felonies. Trump allegedly promised to pay Cohen his $420,000 in monthly installments of $35,000, falsely disguised as retainers and legal expenses. Each time, Cohen sent the Trump Organization an invoice for his retainer payment. Trump, or in two cases, another Trump Organization representative, signed a check for the so-called retainer, and the company marked the transaction as a legal expense on the general ledger. 11 invoices, plus 11 checks, plus 12 ledger entries equals 34 charges of falsifying business records. Under New York law, each falsified record becomes a felony if committed in the commission of another crime. The Manhattan District Attorney argues that Trump violated state and federal election laws and engaged in tax fraud by disguising Cohen's reimbursements as income for legal fees. Why would Trump and his team go through such elaborate financial contortions? That's the heart of the DA's case. That Trump, rocked by scandal in the wake of the Access Hollywood tapes release and growing accusations of sexual misconduct and assault, did all that to keep the information from the voters. Now, Trump's alleged secrets are all out, and jurors will soon decide whether he broke the law.